Hi, I'm George the Weather Dad, and on today's Weather Classroom, we're going to be talking about your lawn. More specific, when should we water our lawns? Because we do know we're going to go through the summer months and there will be some very hot and dry periods. To make sure our lawns stay looking like this instead of looking like this, we have to have a schedule and know the best times in which to water our lawns. Now, as far as time is concerned, we have two time frames to work with. We have early morning and late afternoon. I actually prefer early morning, mainly because the water then has a chance to penetrate the soil, and then the grass will have the opportunity to use it as it works its way through the day. The worst time is midday, because we're going to see a lot of evaporation out there, and it's going to take you twice as long to get enough water into the ground. But again, if you can't do the morning, the early evening is also a pretty good time. How do we know if our lawns need water? Well, you can actually just walk out there, and if your footprint shows up on the grass, well, it's probably a little dry. Worse yet, when you step on your grass and it crunches, it does need water. The other way, well, you can also use the screwdriver test. If you push a screwdriver in, it goes in easy, there's enough soil moisture to go around. However, if it's tough to put that screwdriver in, you're going to need to water. How much water are we talking about? A good inch to inch and a half for the whole week. The last thing you want to do is do it all at one time. You do need to spread that out. Now, of course, we have a lot of sprinklers to choose from. Just go to your local hardware store, you'll see them yourself. So you really kind of have to pick out the one that you think is going to do the best job for you. So then we have the sprinkler. But then how long should we keep the sprinkler on? Well, here's a little thing you can do. Put a cup out on your lawn and let your sprinkler go about 20 to 30 minutes. Turn it off and then measure to see exactly how much water has fallen out of your sprinkler. And that's going to help you schedule then your next watering time. Again, remember, don't do it all at one time. Spread it out 2 times is optimum. You can spread it out to about 3 times, especially if it gets really hot and dry out there. So we want to make sure we have nice green lawns as we work our way through the summer months. And that's today's Weather Classroom. I'm George, the Weather Dad.